Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing and showcasing the first look for Diesel's new true wireless earbuds. These are Bluetooth 5.0 enabled. When you flip around the case opening, you can see that it's fully charged. Here are the earbuds right here, so they can flip open either way. Starts the pairing process right away. Here's the earbud itself. This is the red colorway version. They have a total black as well, and this is touch sensitive as most earbuds are, for play, stop, forward, and Google or Apple Assistant. It has nice magnetics right there. There we go. Even the ear tips are red. They come with 6 ear tips, so you can have different sizes. This is wireless charging capable, and on the back, USB-C charging as well. This is the brand new Diesel True Wireless Earbuds. First look. They'll be available soon at a retailer or online seller near you. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.